Superstar Aamir Khan, who on Wednesday announced the next season of his popular television show Satyamev Jayate, which generally focuses on social issues, says this time it will have an episode on the water crisis in Maharashtra and other areas.
जो टॉपिक हम चाहते हैं वो है पानी और महाराष्ट्र। पानी इसलिए क्योंकि ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक है हम सबके लिए, और महाराष्ट्र इसलिए क्योंकि हम दोनों यहीं के पैदाइश हैं, सत्या और मैं, हम दोनों, ये हमारी जन्मभूमि है, कर्मभूमि है, तो हमको लगा कि हमें यहां से शुरुआत करनी चाहिए, पानी और महाराष्ट्र। और उसके बाद हमने सोचा कि अगर हम ये करना चाहते हैं तो हमें सरकार से मिलके बात करके देखना है कि हम किस तरह इस चीज को आगे ले जा सकते हैं।
Further, on being asked will he seek support from industry colleague Nana Patekar, who is actively involved in helping the state's drought-hit farmers, this is what Aamir had to say.
You know, it's a coincidence I'm going to meet him today because I happened to see his film, Udya Bagitla, Natta Samrat. Very good film, outstanding work. And as it so happens, I'm going to be meeting him today. I will definitely talk to him about it. I think he's already doing great work in that. I think all of us have seen the kind of work that he's done. You know, like Nana or all of us here today, more and more people need to come forward to contribute to this cause. I think, you know, Nana has started this, I think 1 year ago, if I'm not mistaken, about a year ago. So that's really wonderful that he's been doing such great work, and he's shown his sensitivity towards this such an important issue. So we would only like to add to that.
This new season of the show is titled as Satyamev Jayate Water Cup, as it will include a competition where villages will be involved in water conservation activities, with the winning village bagging prize money of Rs 50 lakh. The contest will be held between April 15 and May 31st. Aamir and Kiran Rao's NGO, Pani Foundation, will also work in association with the Maharashtra government towards solving the water crisis in the state.